Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm gonna share with you how to add the SMA and the EMA on MetaTrader 5 mobile app. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, open your MetaTrader 5, then click on this icon here at the top. Click on F plus and choose moving average. Okay. Now we have here period. You can choose any period you want. So for me, I will choose, for example, 20. We have here method, we have here simple, exponential. So the simple is for the SMA because SMA stands for simple moving average and exponential is for EMA, exponential moving average. Okay, so let's start with the SMA. We have here style, we have 4 pixels. This is for the thickness of your SMA. So I will choose 4 and this one is for the color. So I will keep it on black. If we go back, this is our SMA. Now let's add the EMA, the same thing. Click on F plus, moving average, 20. But this one you have to change it to exponential. And I will change the color, for example, to red. Click on save. Let's go back. And as you can see, now we have here the black, the SMA, and the red, the EMA. And that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one.